Lot S285 is a 1961 Pontiac Ventura bubble top with a 600 horsepower V8 engine and a 5-speed transmission, and it sold for $66,000 on Saturday, November 1st. And I'll read from the Mecum website. Odometer reads 17,603 miles. And the highlights are comprehensive custom frame-off build at an estimated cost of more than $150,000. Less than 200 miles since completion 3 years ago. Restored frame, 600 horsepower V8 engine, Richmond 5-speed manual transmission with overdrive, positive traction rear end, blue exterior with white interior, and multiple award winner, including Best in Show and Best Interior. And this one was a resto mod. It didn't say what kind of engine it had. If it was a Pontiac, it kind of looks like a big block Chevy to me. I don't remember exactly from being there when I filmed it, but just from the pictures, it looks to be a big block Chevy. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos of the 700 plus videos that I have on my channel, Car Finder. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.